This compact two-story flat-pack house by Walkmax is a modern solution for small space living. Designed with both style and practicality in mind, it offers a sleek white acrylic exterior and a smart layout that makes the most of every inch. Measuring 234 inches deep, 110 inches wide, and 118 inches high, the structure is surprisingly spacious despite its tiny footprint. Inside, the house features two separate lockable rooms, one on each floor, each measuring approximately 19.5 feet by 9.8 feet by 9.1 feet. These rooms are perfect for use as a guest room, home office, or private retreat. The double-layer design is supported by a self-standing T-frame, which evenly distributes weight and allows for future expansion. It's built to last, with excellent load-bearing capacity and weather resistance. Assembly is quick and efficient. With prefabricated panels and numbered connectors, a small team of 3 to 5 people can put the house together in just 72 to 120 hours using basic tools. Forklift slots and removable wheels make it easy to move, and it meets ISO 14961 container transport standards. The house is built for comfort and durability. It includes corrosion-resistant materials and 60 decibel floor insulation for a quiet indoor environment. Ventilation grills and mosquito nets with anti-corrosion coating help maintain airflow while keeping pests out. Thoughtful interior touches include 5 energy-saving LED lights and 2 motion sensor radar lights for smart illumination. 12 multifunction 110-volt power sockets are spread throughout the space, and built-in storage keeps things organized. Outside, a sturdy, non-folding staircase provides smooth access to the second floor. Altogether, this tiny home blends modern design with practical features, making it a stylish and efficient choice for anyone looking to maximize space without sacrificing comfort. For more info, check the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.